To enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on Redmi 15, you can, for example, open Settings, scroll down, and go to Sound and Vibration. And over here, if you scroll down again, you should be able to find Do Not Disturb. Here you can find all settings related to Do Not Disturb mode, but over here we can turn on and off DND mode, as you can see. Besides that, we can also press volume up or down, and if you see this slider, you can also find this moon icon, which is DND, of course, so we can toggle it over here too. And of course, we can also go to Control Center, but by default, DND mode is not added over here, so we can go to Edit, and you should be able to find the DND mode somewhere over here in System Toggles. So we can add it to the list, press this check over here in the top right corner, and here we can now toggle DND mode like this. Press and hold your finger on the media volume slider over here on the right side, right next to the screen brightness, in order to also find another way to toggle DND mode.